Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to charge JBL Plus 5 speaker, but for now tap on the button subscribe to see more useful content. So first of all, let's find out when it is time to charge your speaker. You can easily look up the percentage of your speaker in the app JBL Portable. As you can see, now I have 60% of the battery. So, how to charge your speaker? First of all, take your USB-C cable and the charger, or you can use the charging port of the computer, for example, as I will do now. You need to find the charging port in the speaker, connect it with the cable, and now, as you can see, this indicator starts blinking. That means that your speaker is charging. While this speaker is connected to the charger, you can look up at the app the percentage of the charging. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.